In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sales tax to a Jotform product. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate sales tax into your forms to ensure accurate billing for your customers. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Jotform account. Simply navigate to the Jotform website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you have two options. You can either open an existing form where you wish to add sales tax or create a new one. If you decide to create a new form, you'll need to set up your fields as needed. However, for today's demonstration, we'll focus on adding sales tax to an already existing form. Next, let's access the payment field settings. Look for the payment field, which could be something like PayPal or Stripe, depending on which payment gateway you're using on your form. Click on this field to highlight it and then select the Properties option, often represented by a gear icon, or use the Edit Payment Field button. This will open the settings specific to your payment integration and allow us to make the necessary changes. Now that you're in the payment field settings, it's time to enable the sales tax feature. Look for a section labeled Tax. This might be tucked away in a menu or tab, so take a moment to locate it. Once you find it, you'll need to enable it, which can usually be done by checking a box or flipping a toggle switch. This will activate the tax feature for your form, allowing you to charge sales tax on the products you offer. Once the sales tax feature is enabled, you'll need to configure the tax rate. In this section, you'll have options for setting the tax type. You can choose between a percentage, like 7%, or a fixed amount, such as $5 per order. The choice between these will depend on your local tax regulations, so it's crucial to enter the value according to these rules. Be accurate here to ensure that your form reflects the correct tax amount for your customers' purchases. Finally, the tax you've set up will automatically apply to all the products listed in that particular payment field. To check if everything's working correctly, you can switch to preview mode where you'll see how the updated total, including the tax, is calculated. It's important to double check this so you can be confident that your customers are being charged the correct total amount. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added sales tax to your Jotform product, ensuring that you meet any necessary tax regulations while providing transparency to your customers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more Jotform tips and tricks.